Hello and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Amazon Basics 5-Shelf Adjustable Heavy-Duty Storage Unit, a top contender in the realm of storage solutions. Whether you're organizing your garage, kitchen, or workspace, this shelf promises durability, versatility, and impressive capacity. Let's start with its construction. Made from durable steel with a sleek black finish, each shelf can hold up to 350 pounds, totaling an impressive 1750-pound capacity when evenly distributed. This makes it perfect for heavy-duty storage needs in various settings. One of the standout features is its adjustable shelf height, which can be customized in 1-inch increments. This allows you to adapt the shelf to accommodate items of different sizes effortlessly. Plus, assembly is a breeze with no tools required, ensuring quick setup and convenience. From your garage to your laundry room, kitchen, or office, this shelf's multi-purpose design shines through. Whether you're storing tools, supplies, or household items, its robust build and stability provide reliable support. In conclusion, if you're looking for a dependable, adjustable, and heavy-duty storage solution, the Amazon Basics 5-Shelf Adjustable Heavy-Duty Storage Unit is your go-to option. Its solid build, customizable features, and positive customer feedback make it a standout choice in its category. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. See you next time on Product Critique.